Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn that how you can create an account on Shopify. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, you need to download and install the application on your device. Once you're done, just tap on open the application. So here they say start selling online with Shopify. Create your online store, grow your audience, manage from anywhere. If you have an account, just tap on login, but we are creating an account, so we tap on get started. From here, let's get started. Which of these best describes you? I'm just starting. I'm already selling online, so if you have experience, you need to select this one. I will just tap on that one and then tap on next. From here, where would you like to sell? You can see here in person, in online store. You can select anything. Let's suppose I will select these two and then tap on next. So what do you sell? Product I buy or make myself, digital products, drop shipping products, or anything. You can select any, which depends on your preference. So I will just select this one and services. Then you tap on next. From here, where your business located, you need to select the country where you are located. Or your business is located. So you can select from this list. I'm living in Thailand, so it is pre-selected for me. The next thing, once you selected the country, tap on next. So it will open a browser, and from here, create a Shopify account. You can either select sign up with email, you can sign up with an Apple ID, or you can sign up with your Facebook, or sign up with your Google account. So I will tap on Google. It will redirect me, and I have to select the account that I want to log in on Shopify. So I will select this one. From here, you need to tap on continue. They say building your store, and here they will ask you for some permission. You need to allow them. And that is it. My account has been created. Guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Shopify. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.